Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 4-in-1 air purifier from the manufacturer to do a review. It's made by Clean Force. It's called a Rainbow Cube, and it has 4 features all built into one unit. It's not only a air purifier, it is a Bluetooth speaker. It has a capability for fast charging, your iPhone, etc. It comes in 4 different colors: black, silver, green, or pink. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, it comes with a user manual, registration and warranty card, an AC adapter, and the cube itself. Okay, in the user manual, it does come with a description of all the components of the 4-in-1 air purifier. And also, you can use your phone as a remote control by downloading the Smart app that's featured in the user manual. Okay, there's 2 buttons on the side to unlock the front panel to have access to the filters. Press those in simultaneously. Okay, when you open the screen up, you do have a filter on the front of the unit as well as the back of the unit. So this is a HEPA filter, a high efficiency particulate filter. It filters out different allergens. Okay, you can see on the filter, it's plain white on this side. This side has the sanitized uh, logos on it, and it says facing out. So this faces out. So the direction of the airflow will go this way. Okay, to place the front cover back on, just align the slots here on the bottom, and then just snap it in place. And there is a filter on the back as well. Just lift up here on the handle. We'll have to remove this plastic as well. And then this little aroma box is here placed on the side that you can place a little bit of the aroma liquid inside. That will in turn emit out into the room. So we'll put the back cover on. Then on the bottom, you have 4 legs here that are padded to prevent vibration or scratching your furniture. And then also you have the port to plug in your AC power. Okay, to turn the unit on, you just press the power button and you'll hear a little beep indicating that it's on, and it will light up here on the front. Now on this unit, the air from the room enters through this filter on the front and the back, and then the air goes out on each side. So the airflow goes in through the front and the back of the cube and then goes out through the sides. And to activate the Bluetooth, you press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to activate that. Now on the fan speed, you have an automatic mode and then fan speeds 1 through 4. So if you press and hold the fan down once, and you'll see the A is displayed, this is an automatic fan speed. It will adjust between 1 and 2 based on air quality. Press and hold the button again. That will manually stay on fan speed number 1, 2, 3, and then the highest at 4. Then you have a light bulb here that will control the ambient light. L1 is the auto mode. L2 is the night light. L3 is the dazzle light. And then L4 is the gradient light. Then you have a timer button here that can be set between 1 and 12 hours and counting down how long you want the unit to operate. Then you have a sleep mode. In the sleep mode, the indicator light will dim and all the other lights will turn off, just so the light will not be intense in darkness. And the fan will operate at its lowest speed. And then the final reset button is the filter reset. So since we place new filters in, it will illuminate red after 3,000 hours of use, prompting you to replace the filters. These filters can be replaced through Amazon, and you can look at information in your user manual as well. Okay, the height of this is 14.37 inches, and the width is 8.66 inches, and then the depth is 6.10 inches. And according to the user manual, it will filter out hair, pet dander, pollen, lint, dust mites, bacteria, various viruses, smoke, dust, smog, and particulate matter up to 2.5 microns. Okay, I've got the app downloaded now. You can see here the indoor air quality is excellent, matches this here on the unit itself. If you scroll down here to the bottom, it tells you how many hours are left on the filters. That would indicate when you need to change your filters. Then you have the various controls here, just like you would here on the front of the cube. You have the on-off switch button, so you can control this sitting in a chair or in your bedroom. You can control this without having to manually get up and adjust it on the controls on the cube. You have the various mode, the manual, audio, sleep modes, so forth. You have the speed, fan speed 1, fan speed 2, fan speed number 3, then the highest, fan speed 4. Okay, we'll put that on 2. Then you have the various settings here. Your filter reset, when you change those. Countdown, so if you want to count down how long you want this unit to work or function, 1 through 12 hours, you just select that, or just hit cancel if you want it to run continuously. Bluetooth on and off, so I'll turn it on. You can see the Bluetooth symbol there, that it's connected. Then the various light modes, it's on auto. Select night, and it'll be on the night light, dazzle, then gradient. Okay, since the Bluetooth is on, to play music, you just go into your source, hit play, and you can hear the speakers here. The volume is controlled by your phone. And then, as I indicated earlier, it is a rapid charger. Here, if you look on the top, you can kind of see a charger emblem there. It's just a flat surface made to fit, charge your phone. If you have the magnetic back on, and you'll hear a beep at the top. Then if you look on the phone, you can see the charging symbol here. So it'll charge up to 10 times faster than a normal plug-in. So overall, I think this is an excellent 4-in-1 air purifier made by Clean Force. You can rapidly charge your phone, filter the air. It's a Bluetooth speaker. You have the various modes of night light. And best of all, it can be controlled by your phone. So I highly recommend this 4-in-1 air purifying unit made by Clean Force.